Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, we had a lecture about adjective and its different kinds. Here we have got an exercise in which there are errors in the use of adjectives. The first sentence is, it is much fine today. Fine is adjective. It is positive degree used in this sentence. Adverb very is used with fine adjective and not much. Adverb very is used with positive degree of fine adjective and not much for proper sense and meaning. The second sentence is, he is a best student. Best is adjective used in this sentence. It is superlative degree of adjective. Definite article is used before the superlative degree of an adjective. He is the best student is the correct sentence. You slept whole the night. Whole is adjective used in this sentence, and definite article is used after the adjective whole. Definite article is not used after an adjective, rather it is used before an adjective. So the correct sentence is, you slept the whole night. Fourth sentence is, he is more cleverer than I. Two comparative degrees of adjectives are used in this sentence. More cleverer. Two comparative degrees of adjectives cannot be used together in a sentence to add to the meaning of the other. So the correct sentence is, he is cleverer than I. He is junior than me. Junior is adjective used in this sentence. There are some adjectives which follow particular prepositions, and junior is one of them. Junior follows the preposition to rather than any other conjunction. He is junior to me. The other examples may be referred to as well for your understanding. Junior to, senior to, superior to, inferior to, prior to, and so on. He is my older brother. The adjective older is used for age comparison of persons who don't have blood relations. However, the adjective elder is used for persons for age comparison, the persons who have blood relation. So the correct sentence is, he is my elder brother. He is the tallest boy of the two. Tallest is the superlative degree of adjective. Comparative degree of adjective is used to compare two things or two persons. So the correct sentence is, he is the taller boy of the two. There are a little boys in the class. Little indicates quantity, while few indicates number. So the correct sentence is, there are a few boys in the class. You must help the poor. An adjective cannot be pluralized by adding s marker with it. We add s marker with noun phrases to pluralize them. Adjectives are pluralized by adding or by using definite article before them. You must help the poor, and the poor carries plural sense. Similarly, the rich, the weak, the strong carry plural meanings because they are pluralized by adding definite article before them. The climate of Multan is hotter than Lahore. The climate of Multan is compared with the climate of Lahore. Here, it should be mentioned distinctly that the climate of Multan is compared with the climate of Lahore and not with the climate and not with the city of Lahore and not with the city Lahore. Now the correct sentence is the climate of Multan is hotter than that of Lahore, or the climate of Multan is hotter than the climate of Lahore. We here have made a comparison of the climate of Multan with the climate of Lahore. Mumtaz is the most unique teacher. Dear students, there are some adjectives which don't have degrees. They themselves express the highest degree of quality of a person or thing. The same is the case with unique. And unique, the adjective unique does not have degrees. Similarly, the adjective whole does not have degrees. So Mumtaz is the unique teacher. Our Mumtaz is a unique teacher. He is a miser man, and next sentence is he is a coward man. Miser is a noun phrase and man is also a noun phrase. Similarly, coward is a noun phrase and man is also a noun phrase. An adjective adds to the meaning of a noun phrase. The adjective of noun phrase miser is miserly and the adjective of noun phrase coward is cowardly. So the correct sentence is he is a miserly man and he is a cowardly man. My family members have gone to Lahore. Family is a noun phrase. Similarly, members is also a noun phrase. Two nouns may be conjuncted by making use of preposition. So the correct sentence is the members of my family have gone to Lahore. He is too tired to attend to some work. He is too tired. The adverb to expresses an extreme level of feeling, an extreme degree of feeling. He is too tired means that he is too tired and he is rather exhausted and he cannot do anything more. The adjective some carries positive sense and it, the meaning of adjective some do not correspond to the meaning of the past participle tired and adverb too tired. The meaning of the adjective some does not correspond to too tired. So some gives positive sense, any gives negative sense. He is too tired to attend to any work. Dear students, we have attempted to point out errors in the use of adjectives in these sentences. Please do go through the exercises given in your grammar regarding these parts of speech. If there are any questions, do ask. God bless you. Allah Hafiz. Inshallah, soon we will come up with next exercise of part of speech which we have yet to attempt. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.